Hey everyone, it's Jared and welcome to the Ultimate Drum Timing Challenge. Today is going to be a lot of fun because we're going to test how good is your internal clock. Now this is a metronome track you could download as well, and I would love to see your submission and you playing along to this metronome track and see how far you can get without making any mistakes, without losing time. As drummers, it's our job to be able to keep time. And so I'd like for you to post your videos using the hashtag Drumeo Timing Challenge. And I'm going to be reviewing all of those videos. I'm going to be resharing them on Facebook, on Instagram, and all the social platforms. And I'd love to check yours out and share it with my community. So with that said, Dave, are you ready for this? Let's get him in here and let's see how he does. All right, Dave, welcome here.
Hey.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. What is this challenge you got me doing?
Well, how good is your timing?
Well, I don't know. We'll both to find out, I guess.
So it starts off with a click on quarter notes for 8 bars. Then you'll hear that audible, different sounding click, and then the click is going to shift to the E's. Then after 8 bars, the click's going to shift to the ands.
Okay.
Then after 8 bars, the click's going to shift to the ahs. Then it's going to go in the 1 and the 3. Then it's going to go in the 2 and the 4. Then it's going to go on count 1. Then you're going to have 4 bars of click, 1 bar of nothing, 4 bars of click, 2 bars of nothing, 4 bars of click, 4 bars of nothing, 4 times to end. If you do not get this, if you lose the click,
Oh, yeah?
30 push-ups.
30 push-ups?
If you lose the click, 30 push-ups. Are you ready? Now, I will say it doesn't start with any pre-roll, so it's going to go right into it. So it's 8 bars, and you'll hear the audible click come up.
Okay, okay.
No.
Oh,
Okay. He did.
Already I messed up.
So,
That's tough.
so I will play it for them,
Okay.
and you can just go down there and do your push-ups while I play it.
Seriously? 30 push-ups?
Yeah, that's the law.
That's not fair. I never even heard the trick. All right, that's the law.
Okay, so you notice Dave had some struggles, and timing as drummers is one of the most important things, and every drummer struggles with timing. So, every drummer is going to have to do some push-ups, but I'll start playing it, and I'll go as far as I can, and I might have to do push-ups too. So, nice work there. So you can tell it's quite hard, and even when I'm playing it, there's lots of push and pull, and it's just something that really, really challenged me. And I don't know if this is something that you've worked on before in your drumming, but I highly recommend you do it. So go ahead and download the click track right below this video and do the Drumeo timing challenge. Make sure you use the hashtag because we're gonna be resharing a bunch of these, and I wanna see how good is your timing. Be honest, okay? Don't just go and practice it for 100 hours and then put it out there. I want to see your first couple takes, not after 100 takes when you've perfected it. I want to see some of the errors you make and some of the challenges that you have. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I'll see you again very soon.